Hi everyone, welcome to our Business English series. In today's video, we are going to listen to a conversation between two colleagues who are discussing their project plan and a few challenges that they are facing. Pay attention to their conversation and later I will explain to you three business terms: status quo, plateaued, and diversify. So let's get started.
I am concerned that our current approach might not be effective. I think we need to challenge the status quo.
That's a valid point. We've been following the same strategy for the past year, and our results have plateaued. Do you have any specific points in mind?
Yes! I propose we introduce more innovative marketing techniques and diversify our social media presence to reach a broader audience.
Let's understand the meaning of the words status quo, plateaued, and diversify. Status quo refers to the existing conditions or current state of things. In business, status quo refers to the existing way the things are done. And challenging status quo refers to questioning and changing the way the things are done in order to improve. Plateaued indicates that the progress has stagnated, meaning the results are no longer improving despite the efforts. And diversify is all about introducing a variety of strategies, products, and activities to reduce risks and improve the outcomes. In a way, the colleagues feel that the results are not improving, and it is important that they challenge the existing status quo if they have to bring in the results. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel so that you stay updated for more valuable inputs.